The leader of Tur or Thma Rangli-Juki, Angela Rangad, has once again come forward with a list of beneficiaries of labour schemes of 2020 for labourers of the state under the Chief Minister's Relief Fund and the Meghalaya Construction and Other Workers Welfare Board. Referring to the list of beneficiaries obtained by Tur through the right to information, Angela Rangad blamed the present government of the misuse of funds related to the labour schemes. According to the RTI report, labourers were to receive an amount of Rs 2,100 for the 1 lakh plus listed under the CM's Relief Fund and Rs 5,000 for the 25,000 plus beneficiaries listed under the MCOWWB. However, she informed that complaints had come in from many labourers who did not receive the promised amount from the government of Meghalaya. Mention may be made that according to the RTI report obtained by Tur, a total of Rs 52 crores had been earmarked for the proposed scheme for labourers.
Kanika jingkular mencim senam, kidon arbenta, kawai kade kata CM relief against wage loss. Kabaki ongkin ai, hajar shispa, yaki nong bela kibadai ki nong de madan, ne ki badai ki nong nya taksi, ne ki badai ki ba traying brio. Ya ki wai ki badai ki labor, construction labor, kin ai na kaneka Meghalaya Building and Other Construction Workers Welfare Board, kapisa ka bladon lupa, kaneka deka board ka ba ki haban thau na mar ba ka yeng shari, ka ai order ba de bandon kum kaneka board ka ban kershan, ya ki ne ki labor construction, lada don ki kinja accident gumni gumtai haki site ki diben yo kapisa katingka kalong yeng juki ki diben yo lada do no jing imbriu but kalong ka ika pasmusi baka Meghalaya jing shisha kamju publicize bahaya kaneka scheme bon ki labor jongi kimpat register ro barka labor department namar bakim chu shim khia ban batai baka don kum kani warla kataru ya kitu ki bala register lupa mencim senam ke sarkar ka kular bahkan ai kata ka jingkershan ke ba sanhajar to nakini ki kot ki bangio lum ka RTI ka pau shai baki don shi lak life san hajar ar spa sau huwei tli ki kerteng ki badeben yo kata ka ar hajar shi spa tengka naka CM relief mo bat ki don ar san hajar Nreu spa prapu saungut ki breu ki badewan yo kataka san hajar. But habangi pet ikini ki kerteng but haba pi barok pi pa ki kubo nishem babun ki badon kerteng tu ki kam yo ki to ar hajar si spa lane san hajar. Nrei ki kam yo lane ki yo tang new spa. Lane ki yo tang khat saus pa. Te syai ka jak kan ka pisa. Namar lada piken kat kum ki nombor bakila ai. Ka sarkar ka pelut sau hu wei crore ar pu sau lak ar pu riu hajar sispa tingka. Bat kala ongru baka pelut san pop ar crore jing sisa. Tela ada jak lepas po crore nta. Ndai syuk la jak namar baki briu ha ka tu ka list pun naki kia tu ingi kila pak ki dokumen jo ki pak ki dur jo ki passbook baklam poi kan ka pisa but sakawai ngi kwa ban perkan mai kini ki nong mikmat haba ki ai kum kini ki song pisa kamtam hapor pa shemjing na kani ka daw jo ka khlam ngimde ban sngongu na mar kam de na khapla jo phi ngimde ban sngongu ba ade phila perkhat hado bat phila khmi na makan ni ka hok ka jongi kam de bang issue wan kam ya ka 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 bha ka jongi bat ka kamram ka jong phi pen biang na mangi im ha ka sansar kharar pat ba ka ba ka constitution jongi kala batai sha mangi de ban yo ka bam ka di ka biang ka yeng ka sam ka biang ka koi ka khya ka biang ka puli puti ka biang bat ka kamram jo ka sarkar pen biang kita